you come here, you get the pumpkin waffle, pumpkin pancake, have them put pumpkin in your eggs.
Today, we are in Burleson, Texas, and we're at an awesome restaurant called Our Place. Now, I hear they serve the best breakfast and lunch around. So, let's go try them out. Come on.
Every piece of the hog you can think of. Look at these homemade pies. Do I need to say another word? Pumpkin waffle in the shape of Texas. If you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button. Also, get that notification bell because you never know when we're going to be in your area. Give me a big thumbs up like down there. It really does help the channel. What I'm wondering is if I really ordered one of those contests where if you finish in an hour, you get it free or something, because that's how much food there is in front of me. I think that's what it is. In North Carolina, when you get ham, you got to be careful because they'll give you a country ham, which is salty. Not in the South. Good old sweet ham. That's good stuff. I come to you guys a little bit defeated. But that's okay because I'm happy because this food was so good. Oh, that smells delightful. If you don't have smell-o-vision, I feel sorry for you. Oh my. That could be the absolute best waffle I've ever eaten in my entire life.
Now, here at the front porch, you got to stop and pose for a picture. But my wife, she's still remaining faceless.
I'm full as a little brown dog, Tig.
And I am too.
Until next time, we'll see ya.